If you can publish more than once a week, I do Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. I go Monday and Tuesday, I have a post. Thursday and Friday, I have a post. And because I post more frequently than most people, a lot of people are doing like a weekly or twice a week or just a twice a month. But when you're doing it at those cadences, when you're doing it at a smaller cadence, it gets real necessary that you're doing it on the right day, either a Tuesday or a Thursday, and either 5 or 6:05, 5:05 or 6:05. But if you're like me and you're publishing more often, then it gets less important what exact time of the day you're publishing, because you're going to be front and center top left for a long period of time. I'm frequently able to be front and center top left for you because I'm doing 4 episodes a week. So what day and time is best? It depends. It depends on how many episodes you're publishing, who is your perfect listener. But the best advice that I would have for a general audience is 5:05 a.m. or 6:05 a.m., Tuesdays most likely, or Thursdays second most likely. And if you're publishing a lot of episodes, like every single day you're publishing an episode, or 3 times a week or 4 times a week you're publishing an episode, you're going to not need to worry about those dates and times exactly anymore. And hey, if you're going to do twice a week, let's just go probably like Tuesday and Thursday, because those are the 2 most likely. So why don't you go like Tuesday at 6:05, Thursday at 6:05? Boom. I hope this helps, and I'll see you on the next episode.